What's going on? So I am going to the Race Expo hosted by Cleetus McFarland and his crew over here at the Bradenton Convention Center, and I'm gonna go take a walk through and see all of the Cleetus cars up close and personal. I only live 5 minutes from the venue, so it seems like a no-brainer. I'd be a fool to not go at least walk through and check out everything. Now, I'm not going to go sit at any of the speaking panels or anything like that because that's an extra $100. And I'm a little short on time right now, but I'm going to go do a walkthrough and check out all these cars up close and in person. And come along, follow along. Let's go check it out. Whatever. You're good. Ruby. Consuela. Good. Three.